Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a little bit of cleaning with you, and I hope you're all doing well and I hope you enjoy. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and yeah.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of all this emotion, best be sure I'll be looking for something You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of all this emotion, best be sure I'll be there when you're looking for something more.
Cleaned all of the patio. I do this now and then. I literally just connect this yellow hose down here. They're really handy, them ones. And I've just given it a good wash. All the patches of mud you can see on the garden, we've put some like soil down and like grass seed because we're trying to save the grass, because having dogs, they just ruin the grass, so we're trying to save the grass. Yeah, the patio is all clean. So I don't think I've showed this on my channel yet because it's pretty new, but I managed to pick up a G-Tech for 20 quid. Like, what a bloody bargain. Tom saw it on Facebook. It was on Facebook for about 4 minutes, and he sent me the link and I messaged her saying, I'll have it. And yeah, it works perfectly. It's so convenient. You just put it on charge and then, you know, you just quickly whiz around your house, and it hoovers really well. It also leaves my carpet like really fluffy and it comes up like proper clean. So yeah, I highly recommend these. I know my mum's got one and I really love my mum, so I'm so happy that I've got one, and no more using that Hetty, because getting that out, plugging it in, it's just so annoying. And yeah, I'm so glad I've got one of these, so let's use it.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of all this emotion, You're not